Them say ladies before gentlemen. So if Kowa come now, no fi go in front same way.
No, oh,
you mean?
Man stronger.
No. With ladies before gentlemen.
Man stronger
in every
than
case,
woman.
they say ladies before gentlemen.
Yes, but guess what, you know why problem? When danger come, woman put first.
The ladies, me believe say ladies see same way.
Me no lady, so
In every situation, they say ladies
I am a
before.
child.
Remember from we go to school, that them put in,
Yeah.
girls before boy.
Yeah,
Everything
yeah,
are girls
yeah.
first. And even when we go to church, they say ladies before gentlemen.
But when danger come, we put on our front.
Alright, you see, say you no fear then do. You no fear, man. So when Kowa come, ladies before gentlemen, same way.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. You no go on up front, same way,
first,
man.
you know, not to go and lead the way the entire day.
Eh?
Go through first and then we follow.
We always a try to defend with the woman them.
Yeah.
Like we are two, we are
That's
play
how we
brave.
always a go
Yeah, true, we play, say we are man, we are play brave, but sometimes we dead. You don't notice here we dead. Yeah, cause me not go on up front. Remember say ladies before gentlemen, no go on up front.
Danger come a man before.
No. Danger come a still lady.
So Brooksie now. Four then come and jump up and we know.
Me a run, you know. So if you no want run, you no stay here.
Come
You
with
no
a scroll
run. You no run with me. Me can't fight cow. Where me figure to know? Fight cow?
And the tree they be a climb.
Well, you no try the one who I do. Me a try run go somewhere.
From the steam I come here, we gonna drop down. For the ice
Same
tea.
thing. Me a run.
But pretty plan for drop down.
Me nah defend you when them they come. Me a
But
run.
remember say I hold in my own.
You got a two mama, but me can't fight cow. Me can't manage cow. Me a run. So if you don't want to run back at me, I fool no business. We no try run back at me.
In my company, me for the speed, me have to drop down. Me not ask no questions.
So when you drop down the cow, no catch you no pretty.
Then you no must catch you, you no
Drop
drop
down
down.
dead.
You go drop down like Riley, Cherry, when the police, they made a lock up Riley.
What Riley do?
Riley said me just feel like drop down, you know, man. I just drop on him belly per marketplace, that's so block. In front of two police.
Police man feel him.
Policeman, the policeman, they nearly dead with laugh. Because they must say, but this man, they are something else. Because they go to Riley in the market, you know.
Yeah.
You know, police can lock you up, so they might have you in front of them.
Yeah.
Go on in front of them. But
Right.
handcuff now not depend on Riley. Because he kind of sick with his head, you know. So they might tell him, say, go on in front of them. So when Riley come out, appears, I hear Riley. Oh, what this spammy, man? You know, me just feel like drop down. And just drop on him belly for the marketplace, that's so blop. In front of two policemen. So the policeman they turn up and look down on him and ground one are dead with laugh.
Well,
God them a
manage
say,
that today.
oh what can you something this pan we in idea you know?
The police have left.
Yeah man. Yeah man, Riley just drop down man. So a pretty no know if you come pretty I go just drop down. They go kill you pretty and run pan you. Me a run left for you know. So me no know how to manage you know. Me a run left for you. Yes, me a man fi defend woman, but no when Kowa come. No, when Kowa come, if I want man, me we want to fight him. Me go fight him, me go take him all a big stone and something. No, me can't fight cow, me no butcher.
Don't pitch over
Hey, me can't manage cow at all, brother.
So you not to tell us to run.
Me can't fight
You
cow.
to tell we need to run.
Yeah, me go tell you to run. And me a run too. So no try run back at me and run fast too. Yeah, that me a go to tell you to run.
Look, you still left your back, you know.
Then me now have to run for safe for myself till me want to catch me. So me a tell you to run. No man, me a run and no run back at me fast too man. If you can't pass me, well you no pass me up. But me a run fast upon him. Yeah man, me a run man.
Watch your feet, he might come out through the fella.
He can't come through
Yeah,
them.
boy, he can't come through
Too
drive
big.
back in head.
Yeah man.
If they get you one look chance and gone there.
When police come for you, you can't tell them anything, you know. You know, me that one friend one time, and police come to lock him up, you know. And when the policeman come, here when do? In trouble one other man out the road. Like in trouble a man out the road, the man have argument out the road. And him come now after the argument over and gonna fee him home. So the man know when man him in the argument, let's go to police station and come with two policemen. So when they come, then don't get a call him. Them a call, Rai now look out. So one night time when Rai look out, now police ask me if he know this man. Him say yes. Hi mama. Him say yes. Him say to him man say, what? You and him have? Him say man him no have not nine boyfriend. So anything we go on, a man and woman relationship.
So
Him no
police can't get
him no fi
involved.
get in a that. Police no fi come in a this. This a
when God back
relationship.
for Ed, God
Cause
back
when
for
them
pillar,
gone and Ed go back pan pillar, a different matter. So them fi go
and they
on.
attack, you
The
know.
police then laugh till they nearly dead. Them a fi go well him.
That me know.
Then laugh, the man then laugh. Then turn to the other man and say, what is your car weapon, brethren?
Base officer time.
What kind of something this your car weapon?
Go and now ask Mama say every
Yeah.
night you know hear him come
He
here.
tell him, say, you go and run a me round the back, they go ask Mama if you know hear me and him run a me room every night.
Yeah.
They have to go on, brother. They have to left him. They have to go left him. So him just have crafty police when police come for him.
Right.
Anytime they come for him have some story if he give them that them have to
You know,
either
but look, so every
dead
time.
with laugh or gone left him.
And left him. When I didn't look and run out.
Tell police if you go out of this a man and woman relationship, him them not get in a it. Them not come in a this.
Theme boy that.
Yeah, him see a film boy that him to go and leave them alone and not get in a this. Police nearly dead. Police.
Where police have to do more?
And turn to the man we come at station and say, what is your car weapon, my friend?
Yeah.
So you just know, say sometime you have to just know. Find crafty police when they come to lock you up, man.
Some police not depend that.
No, go up in that jeep.
Yeah, man. Police come to lock me up already, you know. And when they come, you know, me sit down a shop, you know, and police come to lock me up. And when they come, they say, where Brooksie there? Me tell you, you know, Brooksie there a little while in just gone off road there, you know.
You tell him that?
Oh, you mean? Man said to me,
I
say,
know you are you.
No, if you didn't know you would
Hear
come
no?
to Brooksie there.
Hear him to me. You can't go call him for me. Me tell him, say, yeah, man. Take up my shit and turn up road. Say me go and call Brooksie. Me no come back. Me go up road and no come back, brother. One length of time you up road and now come back down. Cause them man must tell themselves, say, yeah, I want the for the man that we send out. Me no come back, me no come back. Me no come back, brother. Yeah, man. And come regular come look for me, man. Regular then come ask all people for me.
But they don't know how.
They don't know who they come for. Yeah.
I want to then come and
Ask Napti where Brooks there. In Ghana River. Me Ghana River gone beard. But me did there. Me the same place there. And then call one nether brethren and call the brethren like out there so. And say something to the brethren which me no even know when he said to the brethren. And me see brethren walk where gone. Gone round where we walk the river. So me still sit down when me they come, me no know what one. Me no go see man the man talk. That man go round like on the road where we walk go to the river to go beard. Cause him tell them say me gone a river gone beard. So then tell him say God call me. So him turn out from gone round a river road. But when he go on a river road, people live on the river road, you know. So him tell one girl we live round, they say, go back out the road and go tell Brooksie say, him boy them a look for. So no just go tell him so, you know, go sit down side him and then whisper to him, tell him say, are you the police them ask for, you know, but me couldn't tell him say see you there sit down. So me tell him say you go on a river, so go and go tell him. Me did sit down, me see one girl come sit down side of me. You know, we just go sit down there and did and we attract because so till him bounce me and say to me say, not to see you them ask for. And me say, yeah. Me did sit down see him where me no move neither, me just still sit down and did the so till 1 or 5 minutes, me just get up and go in my shop and take up something and turn up the road. And go on up the road, walk down up the road. And then they did so see him we lean up and then carry away and Napti if he come from river. If he go call me, you know. So Napti come back and tell him, say, you know, me no see him. Look like he gone a deeper river.
Yeah.
Anyway, then drive. So when me come back now and Napti come, Napti say, Brooksie, you the man them a look for, you know. But me couldn't say, see you there, sit down there. So me have to just tell him, say, you gone a river. And left gone like me gone call you. You know?
How you mean?
A whole heap of time, man. Then come all in a shop for me. When me and Cherry keep the shop round the Parkland there. Then come one morning and ask, who for shop this? Me say, my shop. Them say, come in here. See Nicky go up there. Them say, my shop, me want to search. And when me go in the shop, they don't want to search the shop and me not inside there. So me go inside and when me go in, him say to me, say, when me name and me tell him, him turn to me and say, let me see your hand them. And me show him my hand them. Him see how you me a look for. Go in I Jeep. I say, boy, hold me one morning. Know me by me hand.
Yeah, because they must see how you are there.
Yeah, he know me by me hand, you know. And pay me to go in I Jeep. So he could have hold on to me. Months them a search to me and can't find me. Same place in the little communities. Months them a search
no, but
to me.
if them are your information, they must say in
One evening, maybe carry food come give me and I couldn't eat the food. Dumpling and hockey. In a river coast me there hide. And mommy carry food, come give me up there in the evening there. When mommy give me food, me hear police, me hear like police are ringing at my head. As me take the food, me hear like the police jeep are come. No, now come, you know. But you just, if you know, when you feel something,
Yeah.
and me just give him back the food and move from where me did there. And gone up the road, and when me left go up the road. Lick last time up the road, sit down a jeep come. Turn down a bridge and gone back out. Because when me them, me can see them from like way down the road, you know.
Yeah.
And me they way up the road from my hillside, sit down and look on the jeep and come way out so. And know so them a come and watch when they turn and gone again. They couldn't hold me. Months they couldn't hold me. One time they hold me, and then in one shop they come hold me one morning early. Sit down in a Miss Bobby shop the morning.
Yeah.
And when me look at jeep that come park like this so. When me hold up me head and look out in the road so. I jeep that me see and police a find gun in there for me so. I said no move this morning, you know.
Backside.
Go in I jeep. And that's how me go in I jeep, go sit down and go out there and lock me up. Nah, I run from them. I run from police. I run from police, I get shot long time. One day one of them run me down, you know, one of them break me, me over Green Road, you know. Just come out lane, you know. Barefoot, you know, now no shoes, no nothing, you know, just come out and the panel really stand up, you know. When I look down the road, so them see around 5 man a walker come in the community, you know. And I don't know none of them man there when I see a walker come. But when me look, I see one police in the lap when me make out say a police them there. And I do so whap and took off down in one lane, so you know. And so I run down in a lane. Why do so whap back on me too, you know, run off on me too, you know. But when he come to when me turn, when he come yes at the crossroad and he look down in the lane when me go, he not see me. So he don't know where me go. Cause me just run and go back to one house and go over one fence and gone over and one past and left him. What no find me?
Yeah, me.
I regular me left them, man. Regular me left them. Yeah, man, I regular me left them, man. One day me I come from town, and me take the bus downtown, Kingston, you know, the rain with my bag, you know. And me go in I bus, the doctor say, you soon get a seat, man, car bus full, you know. You soon get a seat, man. You take up a Stony Road there, you get a seat, man, you know. And me say, all right, take bus and stay so in a bus stop, I come up Stony Hill Road, I come up, now I get no drive, come down Stony Hill, come in a junction, now I get no seat. Come all the way, not a be still no get no seat. Come all the way, Buff Bay, come up, now get no seat. When me come all the way, St. Margaret's Bay, still no get no seat. When me catch a bomb broke, me no get no seat. Me say, all right, give me a stop here, across road here. Doctor say me fi pay him fear. Me say, doctor, you idiot. Pay fear fi do one now.
Walk front town.
I walk front town, come over here now. You want me to pay for that? Man say, yes, me have to pay. Man, Blackie do away for me, D. Blackie do away for me. Yo, a wicked, me have to get wicked pan him be. Remember me tell you, man, I put him off on one bus, man.
Yeah.
Out in the street, pan him back, and left him. Step over him and go and left him. And turn up rice peas with me little bag. And by me come and go in my sister house and put on my bag and I tell them, say, what go on now, cause me that town for long and come look for them now, you know. And them I say, wow, police I look for you, you know. Me I say, yeah. And by me say, yeah. They say, look out at the gate. Police out at the gate. They hear say Brooksie gone for Auckland. And me do so boom to back window and jump and go back to Jack and then come in a yard and ask me and I tell my sister, say they hear say me just come up rice peas and ray. Tell me say if you report at the station and the wildest bird get the nearest shot and tape. One hip a tour and they can tell you no history to man. That the sister they get whole heap of complaint from police, man. Police can take me filter, take me knife, take me clocks, take everything from me over lane. And go with them and say, tell them the brothers if you come to the police station.
They can't keep them up there.
Remember that me tell them, me no want back them there. Me,
That would be
yeah,
a
man. A regular then come destroy we
whole
place,
family.
man. Search up in our mother place, stir up the whole of the place where mommy come from Springbank, pay a boot print pan veranda and pan. Yo, when you look in a whole of the place with soldier boot print and police boot print, we print up in our house, I search them, I search the gun, man.
I must good man, them affair.
Tell them say when they time they can't hold on to Brooksie. Brooksie sweep long harrow them the time them man. Never can hold on to me. Me, never hold Brooksie man. A history me could have give them when the time them man. They can't hold me. I give up man. I mean never go to prison. Me never get caught in a no kind of certain thing where you know say if you go to prison for.
Yeah.
I defend me people, them, you know, defend me sister them, defend me brother them, defend all of them. Me mother, everybody, you can't do me people them nothing when Brooksie dey on the ground. Yeah man, when me come, you know, have to move up man. Cause Brooksie I come defend them, you know. In everything Brooksie did if defend them, you know, straight up, you know me I say. Yeah, man. Warrior. If I war me, if you come warrior for my sister, me I come bust up your
War,
face, man. And bust up your face and lick you down with big stone and something, man. Yeah, man. If me go to jail, me go to jail, man. Me auntie them are the same thing, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. People rob me auntie them, man, and me have to go for them, man. Same way, man. You know. Me just a defender for my people, them. From me young, me like to defend my people, them. You know. No care what. When me come, them a tell me, say, Brooksie, you know, say, so and so do me so, and Brooksie, you know, say, so and so do so. Yeah, man, from me come, me I go cool everything, man. Yeah, man, me can't cool everybody, man. Yeah, man. Me will cool him, man. So you don't know, you have to just dead for your people, them. Love your people, them. Care about your people, them.
Right.
But you see, sometimes some people you care about and them hurt you too, you know.
Yeah, true.
Are the one where you care about, the most of them hurt you, you know. And you see, when them people hurt you, that come like a one knife, they cut you deep, is cut you ever get on your body. That
somebody you lose.
Or you lose somebody, you know. Yeah.
You
You can't come to yourself.
Puzzle your
Say,
knife.
this an individual hurt you so.
Yeah.
Right. But life goes on. What goes around comes around, you know.
Yeah. Still have to live.
Yeah, you still have to help people and you have to do good for people same
You
way.
can't make one bad
And you
mistake
can't make
everybody.
two one bad. Alright, one bad you spoil 10
And
good,
everybody
you
have
know.
the heart,
So you have to just have the heart and the love there in you to each other and know say well then we are one flesh and blood and if we are family. That's not different to man. That's different to man, you know. Blood are blood, you know. And they say thick and water, you know. So alright, that's the thing there, you know. Me I deal with mama. So we have to live loving and show love, yeah. Live loving, show love, and spread the joy and know say well then, yeah, we don't have nothing else to do. But live good with one another. Because if you try, if you live the next way where you see you not live good, you know, that means a bad you are going to live bad, you know.
Oh, you mean?
So if you not live good, you are going to live bad then, you know. So me don't want to live bad with nobody.
No.
Me want me and everyone
Yeah.
where we can change thought and we can live good, we can sit down and we can have a good time, we can eat together, we can share things together.
So if you go,
The
man?
worst family. Me love my family them too. But we ask them, man, we do anything for my people them, man. When
you
the
do
worst
so
when
now
we
you
did
have a
younger,
right of
the
feeling
worst
in
when
life
time
when you live
we
good,
did
man.
younger, when time all the littler one them did smaller. And me know say boy, the whole lady don't have it like that. Then the time them you mad me can't feel good if me know say boy, the whole lady no cook no dinner this evening. Me have to go and look something to make them pick they get food, man, and we get something to eat or whatever, man. Me have to play for me role there. So right now, to everybody are big people now.
Yeah.
You know everybody can depend on their own, have their own responsibility. You know, like when we did young, you know, where a Brooksie alone dig road. Cause the rest young, you know, then now go a road, then can't go hustle nothing.
No.
For carry it.
They have to
So a
carry it.
Brooksie always the outer road. A Brooksie go outer road. Brooksie down a road. Brooksie down a shop. Brooksie a work. There's a Brooksie
Come
do
like
all
a
kind of
yard, the
something.
breadwinner.
Right.
Yeah.
So therefore now, anything broke a road, Brooksie carry in the yard. Me can't go a bush go dig yam. Me can't climb tree, pick breadfruit. Me can't climb coconut tree. Me can't climb ackee tree. Me can't do everything to make
Oh,
the
you
old lady
mean?
cook some food, you know.
When
Me
a
go
man
look good.
shop, you
Me
carry
take
for
stick,
your
me take
lunch
axe out the yard.
See you,
And me gone round a gully round there. So when me I come back with some whole heap of dry stick for the old lady cook with.
Right.
You see when me I say pa me shoulder, come and chop them up with the axe in the yard again. The old
Pack
lady
them
get
up.
them there for cook with. So you know say, then time you know me always have to try to know say well the little one then good. Even when time we live at Parkland and the old lady, no dead with enough time. Me come in, man, me not have to come with a sardine or one canned beef or something and we mash up something in the evening there for we get some food. You know what I deal with?
Yeah, man.
I know say me and the little one they alright, you know? Yeah, man, me can go lay down, man, and know so well then good man gone to them bed now, man. Or me
Yeah.
gone back a road and
Feel
gone look
yeah.
it same way, you know?
But if you out there and sit down and then you don't carry nothing,
Yeah,
you're not
man.
going to feel good.
Yeah, man, me like my little brother and sister them, man. Badly when when me young, you couldn't do me sister them. Nothing make me know.
Yeah.
None of them you can hurt them make me know. Me have 3 little sisters that were smaller than me. And me have 3 brothers who were still smaller than me too. You can't do them the picnic they nothing when we are like 14, 15, 16, 18, up to 21, 25. You can't do them nothing.
Oh, yeah, man.
If you ever try nothing with them, man, you mad man, Brooksie, come mash you up, man. And we ask them, man, me go all the drapers, go fight boy for my sister, you know. Take him, put in a car, downtown, come mash him up, you know. Mirror. My sister work a hotel, man, and boy, I disrespect him, man, and me go a drapers for him, man. Me tell auntie, say, when you left work at evening, meet me uptown. Me and you go a drapers and yard.
That me know.
And go feed him up there. And give him some raw slick too. Yes, my brother, man. Respect, man. Bless up, bless up. and put him in a vehicle and carry him downtown, come put him in a police station, lock him up.
Yes, sir.
The police him to lock up. Wagwan. Big
Yeah,
up, big up,
fine.
big up. Yeah, man, police lock him up, man. Yeah, man. A regular me do them thing, them, man. Regular, man. Regular me do them thing, them, man. Because you don't know. Your people, them, your people, them, you know, and they don't have nobody
Family,
look forward to,
everything,
you know. They don't have nobody look for to defend them, you know. Brooksie, them know, you know.
When everybody gone,
So
your
anything them a
family
call
have
Brooks
them.
for me, you know, me then call pan, you know, to defend them, you know. Yeah, man, me a family
That's why
man,
you have to get
man.
involved
So
in a
here I
family
know.
argument.
Yeah.
From me a youth, I grew up, people know who the person is, so nobody never trouble them pick me.
Yeah.
And that me glad for. From Shannon born till now, nobody never try who do him nothing. Because they know them father stay. Because me go to Falkland, go live, you know, everybody at Falkland know me, you know. They no trouble them pick me, nobody no do them, nobody no hurt them, nobody, me would have lie if me say people more feel love them in the community.
Wow.
Nobody no try hurt them, you know. So, when you live good, it pay off.
The peer.
It pay off. Right now, enough youth out there will rate Brooksie like God.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Big up Howie and Gerald. Pat them youth there.
Yeah, man.
Rate me like God, man. Cassette. Ever. Why you say, man? Them man, they call me father. Them say Brooksie come like my father to me, you know. Yeah, man. So
Yeah, we
people,
show them the right
and that are
way.
Brooksie, man. Brooksie are one father for everybody.
I don't know,
you know?
if the media we had to decide.
No. Yes, sir, Joe. Manners and respect, brother. Yeah, man. Now go for the media we do this for.
Big
We
up
know the
yourself,
media
Shanice.
real life thing, man.
Big up yourself, Shanice, on a golf road. Big
Every
up,
time.
mama.
Straight to mama. All right, yeah, you youth them. Big up Shanice. Yeah, man, a real thing, man.
Evan mother.
My God.
Yeah, cool, Evan, mother.
That's that. Give me a piece of that.
Grandma. Grandma. Grandma.